A notorious band of armed and dangerous thieves is making headlines with their spree of bank holdups and convenience store robberies. The latest of which is their daring larceny of a cash and valuables safe in a Tarlac convenience store captured in closed-circuit TV cameras. Ryan Lesigas has the details of this notorious band dubbed the Termite Gang.
Late in the evening of July 14, these men, all wearing face cover, broke into this convenience store in Tarlac. CCTV footage from the store shows the four men apparently looking for something. Another CCTV clip shows them taking photos of several vaults. Moments later, the suspects were seen carrying one of the vaults until they eventually loaded it into their getaway vehicle. According to the Police Regional Office 3, the group responsible for the convenience store break-in is the Termite Gang. The group was also allegedly behind a bank robbery in Nueva Ecija and another robbery incident in Tarlac.
Pinasok nila to, binutas nila doon sa ilalim. Meron din silang tinira sa Isabela at nung convenience store, yung DIY na napasok rin nila at nakuha yung vault. They're Termite originally, member ng Termite, then Termite Gang, then nag-divert na sila dito sa pagpasok na sa mga convenience store kasi mas mabilis daw. Siyempre, may binubutas kayo, it will take days, weeks or months.
Dito! After conducting a backtracking operation using CCTV footage, authorities were able to track down the suspects. When they were cornered, they were immediately ordered to lie face down. Among those arrested was the alleged mastermind of the group.
Yes, siya yung may warrant of arrest sa kasong frustrated murder at robbery.
Authorities recovered several license plates, the vehicle used in the crime, and other tools allegedly utilized by the suspects. Aside from the four suspects who were arrested, authorities are still hunting down two of their alleged accomplices. Multiple criminal charges have already been filed against the arrested suspects. Authorities are also determining whether they were responsible for the robberies of pawn shops in Quezon City and Pasay City. Ryan Lesigas for The Nation.